Hello, good afternoon, appreciated tutor and classmates. My name is Juan Jose Torres Gonzalez. My group number is 13, and next we will talk about my blog. This my blog presentation. My working city. I live in Flanders. Group number 13, date 16/11, and state 1. What are the main sources of employment in my city? The main economic activity like Girardot is tourism, with much of the hotel infrastructure and vacation. However, there is the agro-industrial and livestock activity, highlighting the production of oilseeds, corn, sorghum, cereals, mainly rice, cotton, coffee, and meat. Step 2. What are the largest companies? Aeroclub Bogotá Paracaidismo. Skydive Colombia, the country's first skydiving school, with more than 25 years of experience, is located at Santiago Villa Airport and has its own hangar to perform the most spectacular jumps in the region. Step 3. What are the main products of the companies? Parachute jumps. Thank you.